कंप्लीट करियर चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा वीडियोस लाइक करें, शेयर करें और जीके इंग्लिश साइंस क्लासेस के लिए मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए। इस वीडियो में अब्रीविएशंस, इम्पोर्टेंट अब्रीविएशन जो सभी एग्ज़ाम में आते हैं वो डिस्कस करेंगे। AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, AAC advanced audio coding, ABM anti-ballistic missile, AD Anno Domini after the birth of Jesus, ADB Asian Development Bank, ARPANET Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, AFSPA Armed Forces Special Power Act, AGOC Asian Games Organizing Committee, AHVS Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, ATM Automated Teller Machine, ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit, AAI Airports Authority of India, ABC Audit Bureau of Circulation, AICF All India Chess Federation, AICTE All India Council for Technical Education, AIDS Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, AIIMS All India Institute of Medical Science, AITUC All India Trade Union Congress, ASI Archaeological Survey of India, AM Anti-Meridian Before Noon, APEC Asian Pacific Economic Federation, API Application Program Interface, ASLV Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, AIBOA All India Bank Officers Association, AIMPLB All India Muslim Personal Law Board, AUI Attachment Unit Interface, ARP Address Resolution Protocol, BAI Builders Association of India, BARC Baba Atomic Research Center, BC Before Christ, BIMSTEC Bay of Bengal Initiative for the Multi-Sectorial Technical and Economic Corporation, BARC Bachelor of Architecture, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, BSc Bachelor of Science, BTech Bachelor of Technology, BCCI Board of Control for Cricket in India, BHEL Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, BIS Bureau of Indian Standards, BMDS Ballistic Missile Defense System, BPCL Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPL Below Poverty Line, BPO Business Process Outsourcing, BSF Border Security Force, BCSBI Banking Codes and Standard Board of India, BCTT Bank Cash Transaction Tax, BDCA Border Defense Corporation Agreement, BIFR Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, BOSS Bharat Operating System Solution, BWA Broadband Wireless Access, BSP Bahujan Samaj Party, BJP Bharatiya Janata Party, BJYM Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, BPE Bureau of Public Enterprises, BCBS Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, CAA Civil Aviation Authority, CAD Computer Aided Design, CAG Comptroller and Auditor General, CRT Cathode Ray Tube, CAIR Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, CAPES Computer Aided Paperless Examining System, CVC Central Vigilance Commission, CSIR Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CPU Central Processing Unit, COIA Cellular Operations Association of India, CPRI Central Power Research Institute, CPCB Central Pollution Control Board. CAB, Civil Aeronautics Board. CA, Chartered Account. CADA, Command Area Development Authority. CARD, CARD, Center for Astronomical Research and Development. CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes. CBFC, Central Board of Film Certification. CBI, Central Board of Investigation. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. Class, Computer Literacy and Studies in School. CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. DBMS, Database Management System. DTH, Direct to Home. DPEP, District Primary Education Program. DOS, Disk Operating System. DDT, Dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk. IFLU, English and Foreign Languages University. ECIL, Electronic Corporation of India Limited. Email, Electronic Mail. E-commerce, Electronic Commerce. EDP, Electronic Data Processing. EVM, Electronic Voting Machine. EXIM, Export and Import. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FIFA, Federation Internationale de Football Association. It is in French language. Flag, Fiber Optic Like Around the Globe. FTII, Film and Television Institute of India. ESI, Employees State Insurance. ESA, European Space Agency. Thanks for watching.